Find total amount spent by all the builders mentioned, using the table given beside to it, provided execute Sundays and Saturdays with the help of formulas. Let's explore step by step using SUMIFs and weekday formula. First, we need to add weekday. Use weekday formula, select date range, and choose the day order. I am choosing 2, so number 1 will be considered as Monday and 7 will be considered as Sunday. We are able to see the weekday in number. Now, we will use SUMIFs formula to use 2 different criteria. First, we need to choose some range. Then our first criteria range, which is builder name range and builder name as a criteria. Next, we need to choose our second criteria range, which is weekday, and weekday should be lesser than 6. Now, you are able to see the magic.